So, what happened is that this Shalagram Shila had turned into Radharaman. And then, he was amazed. And he practically fainted and immediately started composing wonderful Sanskrit stutis because he was a great Pandit and a great Brahmin. So many prayers to Radharaman. Tears were gushing out of his eyes. He was full of sattvic bhavs and emotions. He was overwhelmed in pure love. And soon the word spread, and Raghunath Bhatta, he came from his kunj, and then Sanatana Goswami came. Of course, Das Goswami was at Shamkund. And then the news spread. Everyone came. They had a joyous Mahotsav. That's the Avirbhav Mahotsav of Radharaman. And that's celebrated every year in Vrindavan at the Radharaman temple on this Nishunga Chaturdasi, the next day. They have it is just like Janmashtami. They have huge bathing, Abhishekam of the Lord with Panchamrit, and a big Mahotsav and festival prasadam. Very, very big function. So, of course, later the temple was built for Radharaman. And Radharaman is a very beautiful deity. You will see on special darshans when they bring the deity out, or when you see during the bathing, you see him standing there, and he's remarkably beautiful features. His waist, just like when Govindaji and Gopinath and Madan Mohan, they were carved under the order of Krishna's great grandson, Bhadranath. And after they were carved and installed, Uttara is the mother of Parikshit, I believe, Uttara was the last person living on the planet who had actually had darshan, sakshat darshan, who actually saw Krishna face to face. So, Bhadranath, he asked Uttara, please, you look at the deities, and tell me what you see. Do they look like Krishna? So she looked at Madan Mohan. She said, Madan Mohan looks like Krishna. He is perfect from his feet to his waist. In other words, his beautiful thighs like banana trunks, shapes of banana trunk, beautiful thighs glistening and beautifully shaped, and beautiful knees like little treasure boxes, and his beautiful thighs and beautiful lotus feet. So from his waist down, Madan Mohan is perfect. He looks just like Krishna. Acha. And Gopinath, from the waist to the neck, Gopinath looks just like Krishna. Very, very thin waist, like a lion. Lion has a very thin waist and a very broad chest, powerful chest, beautiful arms, serpentine-like arms, long and auspicious. But Gopinath, so this is Gopinath. He is perfect from waist to neck. And then, all right. What about Govinda Dev? Govinda Dev. Uttara said, Govinda Dev, he is from the neck up. Govinda Dev, his face is perfect. It's like blossoming lotus flower. He's so beautiful. His eyes are so long and wide and beautiful, and his mouth is such a beautiful shape, and his nose is just perfect. So captivating, so beautiful, so attractive, so sweetly smiling. This is Govinda Dev. Acha. Now, Uttara didn't see Radharaman. That is her misfortune. She is not that fortunate. She's very fortunate, but not so fortunate, because we are very fortunate, because we get to take darshan of Radharaman. Now Radharaman is perfect from the feet to the head. From the feet to the head. Beautiful feet, beautiful legs, waist, chest, eyes, mouth. And another special feature of Radharaman, unlike any other deity in all of India, is that he has teeth. He's showing his beautiful pearl-like teeth. You know the dant. Dant? Dant. His dant darshan. He's giving darshan of his glimmering, shining white teeth. So beautiful. So attractive. So in special darshans, when there is Abhishek, you can see that Radharaman is standing there, but on the back, on his backside, on his back here, there is one, like half of a rock, as if a Shila, a rock, exploded. So that half, the half of the Shila is still on his back, and then the other half expanded into Radharaman. Sri Bangalalitam. Sri Bangalalitam Niyata Prakasham. Govindam Adipurusham. So, this is that wonderful day we can remember Radharaman. Many of the devotees have pictures of Radharaman on their walls of their ashram.